Hey y'all, it's your girl Alexa with another video. And real quick before we get into this, if you ever tried to figure out what tools you need for your business and ended up more confused than you started, you're not alone. Most people are using way too many tools, and it's actually making their business harder, not easier. So in this video, I'm going to show you the only 5 tools you actually need to run a simple automated business without the burnout. And stay to the end because tool number 5, that's the one that changes everything. You see, when I first started, I thought I needed a tool for everything. And all it did was create more tabs, more notifications, and more overwhelm. Now I run my whole business with just a few core tools because each one supports the system. And that right there, that makes a difference. Before we get into the tools, here's how I need you to think about this. You don't need more tools. You need tools that replace tasks. So every single tool that I'm about to show you is tied to something that you no longer have to do manually. That's the whole point. So let's get into it. The tool number 1 is the lead capture plus email. This one replaces DMs and manual follow-ups. Instead of you chasing clients, they come to you. Fill out a form, and your system responds automatically. You're not in your inbox all day. Your system handles it. The tools I recommend are HBA and Aweber. Tool number 2 is the content scheduling. This replaces the what do I post? You batch your content once. It runs in the background while you're literally doing anything else. The tools I recommend are Metro Crew and Later. Tool number 3 is a booking system. This replaces all the back and forth from scheduling. You send one link, they pick a time, done. No more, what time works for you? Emails going back and forth, for 3 days. The tools I recommend for that are Canly or the integrated booking tool inside HBA. Tool number 4, onboarding system. This one replaces manually welcoming every single client. When someone pays, everything goes out automatically. The welcome email, the next steps, the access, all of it. You don't have to lift a finger. The tools I recommend are DeSoto or HBA. Tool number 5 is a sales automation. Okay, this is the tool I told you to stay for. This is your sales automation system, and this is the one that changes everything. This replaces constant posting, launching, and feeling like you always have to be on to make money. Instead, your system is nurturing your audience, building trust, and makes offers automatically, even when you're offline, even when you're sleeping, even when you're playing with your fur babies like me. Your business is still working. The tools I recommend for that are HBA or System.io. But here's the truth no one talks about, people. You don't need 10 platforms. You don't need complicated tech. You don't need expensive setups. You just need 3 to 5 tools working together. Simple beats are complicated every single time. Now, if you want a simple breakdown of how to actually set up, I created a system starter checklist for introverts. It shows you exactly what tools to start with and what to set up first so you're not guessing. You can grab that free below in this video. Also, tell me in the comments which one of these 5 tools are you missing right now, because that's probably the exact thing that's slowing you down. So drop it down below. I read every single one, and I'll see y'all in the next video.